Because the trauma really means that you get stuck in a particular way of experiencing the world. Like, let's say you are sexually attracted to somebody, and that is associated in your mind with having been molested. Then it becomes very hard to really spontaneously explore a new intimate relationship because these feelings of I'm going to get molested, I'm going to get hurt, start dominating the whole thing. And so um, that is the nature of trauma, is that you get stuck in that particular way of understanding or experiencing the world. And so what we need to do is to help people to expand their consciousness and to really viscerally feel what other possibilities there are. And I think that's why anything that involves really doing new, challenging things like learning how to tango dance or learning how to climb mountains or learning how to become a good musician or tennis player is is a good way of getting away from that helplessness and constriction that comes with trauma. Trauma really narrows you down and says, the world's a terrifying place and I'm going to get hurt. And so that needs to be opened up somehow. We're still very involved in theater, actually, as part of where we're living. Uh, we all learn how to play roles, but when you're a poor kid who goes to middle of violent environment, that's all you see, that's what you experience. And so that's the role models that you have, that's what you internalize. And then in theater, you can become somebody else and feel what it feels like to be somebody else. And you even get to wear a costume of somebody else. You may have a sword in your hand, or you may have a hat on, and suddenly you stand differently and you become Lady Macbeth, and you say, if he had also resembled my father, I would have done the deed myself. It's like, wow, that is one nasty lady. And you get to feel through saying these lines what it's like to be somebody other than the person that you're trapped in, basically. It gives you an internal possibilities of experiencing what it's like to be different from the way you ordinarily position yourself. Yeah. Very powerful.